Hello viewers, this is Dr. Anita Deshpande, diabetologist and obesity physician. Today I am going to bring to you some holistic advice on how you can live well with diabetes, how you can live a fruitful life with diabetes and trying to make it easy for you. A doctor can help a patient only if the patient decides to help himself, and this is so very true of diabetes. Diabetes is a chronic disease, and for most people it's a lifelong friend. Did I say friend? Yes, it can be a friend if you decide to befriend it. And just like all friendship, it needs to be nurtured, it needs to be cultivated. You have to put effort into the friendship to keep the friendship going, and that's exactly what you need to do with diabetes. The captain of your ship of diabetes is the doctor, and the doctor is going to do his or her job of doing two things. One is advice as in counseling you about diet, exercise and medicines, about the complications and about everything else. The second thing that the doctor is going to do is prescribe the medicines and give you a list of things to do or to take or to consume. And then starts the job of the vice captain, and you, the patient, are the vice captain of your ship. So what is your job? Your job is to follow the orders of the captain to the T. There will be turbulent waters along the way. There are going to be bad winds. But if you want to sail through smoothly, despite all the turbulence, you need to follow the instructions of the captain, your doctor. So where does your job start? Your job starts after the doctor has handed you the prescription. And the first thing for you to understand is adherence. Adherence is compliance. Compliance to diet, compliance to exercise, and compliance to the medicines. As far as the diet is concerned, make sure that you cut your carbohydrates, cut your calories, reduce your portion sizes, and make sure that your medicines are at a minimum. The second thing you need to do is comply with the exercise regimen. Discuss with your doctor what exercise suits you best and try to do that to whatever extent you can. And the third and most important thing is adherence to medication. Look at your prescription, see what tablets or injections you need to take at what time of the day and adhere to it to the T. If you do this, then you have won half the battle. What's the second thing that you need to do as a patient? The second thing you need to do as a patient is regular follow-up. And this regular follow-up is with respect to again two things. One is the doctor visits and second is your checkup. The doctor visits have to happen at a predefined regular interval. You need to ask your doctor, when should I come next? And you need to go even if you're feeling fine, even if your sugars are fine, because you need to go check your blood pressure, you need to check your weight, you need to do so many things, and that's the reason you need to meet your doctor. So even if you're feeling fine, even if your sugars are fine, please make sure to go, because diabetes is a silent disease and your sugars could be sky high and you wouldn't even know that. The other thing that you need to do on a regular basis is your checkup, your annual diabetic profile. You need to see whether your organs are functioning well or not, whether diabetes has caused complications in any of these organs. Your kidneys, your liver, your feet, your eyes, your heart, all of these need to be checked on an annual basis at least to make sure that they are functioning fine. If they are not, if complications have crept in, you will know it at the earliest if you have been checking it every year. And then it can be tackled very well, it can be reversed, or at least the progression can be halted. So to put it in a nutshell, how does the diabetes ship sail? How does the sailing become smooth? It becomes that way with what I call apara shakti. Apar, A-P-A-R. A and P is what the doctor does. A is the advice that the doctor gives you and P is the prescription that he gives you. But the A and the R, the remaining part of the word, is the patient's responsibility, and that is adherence, and fourth one, R, is regular follow-up. So the first two letters are dealt with by the doctor, the captain of the ship, and the next two letters, the adherence and the regular follow-ups, are dealt with by the patient. And this gives apara shakti to control the diabetes well and makes diabetes a lifelong friend and not an enemy to be feared. So please make sure that you help your doctor to help you. And this is how diabetes can be tackled very well, and you can live a long and fruitful life with diabetes without fear and with happiness. Thank you.